How to add music on your Messenger story. Now, first things first is all you have to do is to download the Facebook application from the Play Store if you're using an Android device because it will not work on your Messenger app. Once you downloaded it, simply log in to your account and then head over to the Facebook app. From here, all you have to do is press on create story and then press on music. Then right here, you can choose any music you want, and then you can also search the artist. And then you can also go back and then choose any picture or video you want to add on a story with, or add on a story with music in it. For example, this one right here. All you have to do is to press on the music located on the upper right of your phone, right here, music. So you can choose any music you want. You can also add a text. You can also add a sticker. So once everything is set up, all you have to do is press on share and it will automatically pops out on the right corner of your profile picture. So that's how you add music on your Messenger or Facebook story.